What I enjoyed most as a clerk working at Bojorquez was learning about new stuff that I never would have thought of before. Public information requests, redistricting issues, infrastructure for a city, all these very important things that you kind of take for granted when you live in a city. So learning about those things, I think, just turn on the light bulb, expanding your whole head. Because again, it wasn't in law school.
I had a lot of really great exposure during the clerkship because one of the things that I think is important to Alan is exposing you to the trials and the challenges of the municipal clients of the city.
It's not just a clerkship. It's not just, I'm going to learn a little bit about municipal law. When you're at Bojorquez, you're going to get municipal law experience. You're going to work with good people, but you're also going to get mentored by people that are very talented at what they do. You're working with the people that are experts in their field.
One of the things that I've come to value about him and about the firm is their commitment back to the profession, trying to help really establish mentorships and other opportunities for law students to learn about municipal law and learn about what it is to be a city attorney.
The most rewarding part of clerking here was watching the other attorneys work and working around them and learning what the heck it is to be a lawyer in general, and then a municipal lawyer.
You can't overstate the value of being around and learning from real live lawyers. I would go in and sit with Alan on a call with an opposing counsel for a development agreement, and just seeing how he advocated for his clients, but also was able to kind of negotiate and offer ways that both sides can come out of this on top, and that was amazing.
You watched him not only have the knowledge of the legal knowledge, but he also had the bedside manner, which is, they don't talk about that in law school. They don't talk about how to talk to your clients. And so watching him interact with clients was good.
The things that stand out most to me are just the level of focus that Alan and the other attorneys have on building relationships with our clerks.
We would have mint tea. We would drink mint tea while he left the floor open for me to ask him any question. Being able to know that you have that person in your corner that you can ask anything is invaluable.
Alan wrote the book on municipal law, which is so cool to learn from somebody who's written the book on it.
To me, the most rewarding part about a clerkship with our firm is really the mentorship available and the relationships with our attorneys. And they're able to provide you a lot of training as well as just advice, not only on the legal matters you're working on, but also about sort of those first steps in your career. One of the exciting things for me was viewing this really as a long-term investment in myself through the clerkship and now starting off as an attorney.
If you're interested in municipal law, you could really find a discipline for you.
Any success that I have at this point in my career can directly be traced back to really great mentors. Most of those mentors I came into contact with through clerkships and internships. And that built my resume, built my experience, it built my law firm. It is a rewarding career financially and professionally. And with 1,200 cities in Texas, there are lots of opportunities in that market. And so if you would like to find out more about municipal law, maybe a clerkship, I hope you will contact my law firm. Our website, texasmunicipallawyers.com. Another job resource, which is the Texas Municipal League, and TML tends to have a job board itself that you can check out year-round.